And on the 25th of January, we have a 7, how we communicate with ourselves. So today, the 7 I already see as a sponge. All the emotions, everything that you heard, everything that you've seen, everything that happened throughout the week, it's all with you. And today you take some time to cleanse it and to reorganize it and let go what's not supporting and what's not yours. And sometimes we can carry things with us, even from generations before, or people that we work with or come with, because the aura, it's like a sponge, so it takes in everything. So now clean your aura, and there are many tools to do it. So if you need some guidance in that, I'm happy to share it with you and guide you to people, or that can help you. I also do aura readings, so if you want to know what is in your aura, what's your aura telling you, let me know. I will put the link in the description so you find it. But the aura, it's our magnetic field. So what is it that you attract, and what is it that you reject? Because the 9 is our path number, so it's time also to clean. 9 is the ending, so maybe there are some things that are not supporting you, and that are kind of blocking you to really be the master, the best in something. This year is the 10 years, so we want to be the best in something, you want to win. We see this all around us. People want to win, and it's the energy. So maybe a good question to ask: do I want to be right and want to be the winner, or do I want to be happy? And it's not that those two things can't go together, but if you're choosing your winning above your happiness, I would reconsider and ask the question, why? Why do I want that? Is that really what I want? And the 7 is inviting us to ask the question, why? So ask the question, why? As often and as in many cases as you need to get clarity on what it is that really flows through you, what it is that you can let go, and do it with joy. Make sure, when you're asking these questions and you're working with that, you already know it. Your gut feeling tells you, your inner knowing knows. And just, if it directs you to more joy, then you know the answer. May this all inspire you, help you, support you, and let's stay positive. Let's go through the changes of life together. Know that you don't have to do it all by yourself. You're not the only one that goes through life challenges, ups and downs. It's all part of life, and if you can find the joy in that, if you can see that light and be that candle, and remember that one candle can lit up the whole room. So let's be there for each other, and let's stay in balance and stay in joy. Much love, and if you like these videos, I'd be very happy if you subscribed. We have an inner circle called the Clarity Path, and that you get personal messages each month based upon your numbers, and you just get more clarity on what it is that you need and that your soul wants and your energy, how that flows. So you're very much invited to join that. And there you also find the full videos and more deep information, kriyas, and meditations, and much more. So I'm inviting all of you to join. I'd be very, very happy to have you in this inner circle. And let me know. I'm reading all your comments and your messages. So thank you for your support. And have a beautiful, beautiful, light and joyful week. Sat Nam.